Roblox video. Today I am going to be playing Bee Swarm Escape. Now guys, this is an obby, and this is supposed to be a scary obby, so let's go. A bee in my room. Whoa. A bee? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, multiple bees. No, it knocked my lamp off. My lamp fell off. Why is there a girl in my room? Oh, it's just a player that's playing. Okay, I guess, okay. Huh? What is this? We'll have to go down here. Oh! What? Oh my gosh, this is cool. Oh, we're supposed to jump on these flowers. Okay. Have to do. This one here. Huh? Okay. What? Okay, go on this one. Okay. Oh, it's gonna go up. Yes. Yes! Really good. Oh, we have to go there. Thought we had to go on the branch for a second. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. I don't want to fall. Okay, oh my gosh. This is scary. Guys, this is my third video that I've made, but I don't really care. I know I'm gonna lose subscribers, but please guys, I'm gonna do like 2 more after this. Actually, I'm gonna do 3 more after this. And guys, please don't be mad that I'm doing too many videos a day. Like, this is my third video that I've done so far, so please do not unsubscribe if I make too much videos this day. Sorry if I'm making too many videos, I just want to make a lot of content. So yeah, and there's like a lot of things that I really want to do. Okay, a beehive. This beehive. Ooh, oh my gosh. Wait, oh my god, what is this? I mean, oh my gosh, not only. I don't want to shoot that. Oh my gosh, I flip on that. Okay, okay, so we can't flip on those. Okay, so let's not jump on that one. Ooh, that was good. Okay. What is this? Do we have to, oh, we have to break the wall. Yeah, we have to break it. Are we inside a bee right now? But, ah! It's chasing me! Help, 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 go! No! I accidentally clicked on that! Please help, I accidentally clicked on that! Please help, no! Oh my gosh. I'm accidentally clicking E, which I don't like at all. So I'm clicking E. Well, not today. How do we do this? Okay. We have to run and run and run and run and get it! Come on! We have to go. Yes, oh my gosh, yes. Okay. my gosh, this is so toxic. This is so toxic. Oh my gosh. I'm scared right now. I don't want to fall in this gooey toxic stuff. It looks like vomit or something. Or it might be like, no, please. I don't know what it is, but it sounds gross. I think it might be like acid or something. It might be acid, guys. No, oh my gosh, okay. So when it goes the other way, then I will go. Okay, let's do this. Hey, woo. Okay, woo. Okay. That was a close call. No! Oh my gosh, no. Oh my gosh, no. Oh, that was close. Oh my gosh, no. No, please. Oh my gosh, that was really... Pick a side. I trust the right. No! Okay, so it's the left that's right? Yes. Oh, there are multiple sides. Oh, there's multiple sides. Let me see. Oh my gosh, a lot. Oh my gosh, I feel like it's right. Yeah. Okay, I feel like it's left again. Oh my gosh, I'm getting all of these right. Oh my gosh, I got all of them right. Oh my gosh. I was just guessing and I got all of them right. Okay. Okay, hurry! Oh my gosh, what the heck? What? Oh my gosh, what the heck? What? A beehive, okay. Oh, we're supposed to collect them. Okay, so there's 10 we have to collect. Oh my gosh. Guys, tell me if I'm missing any beehives. Okay. This is scary. I don't want to die. Whew. Oh, we're back in another beehive soon. I think we're not supposed to get dripped on. Not supposed to get dripped on. All we have to do is jump over that. No bees. Please, no. I want to survive these bees. Okay. Oh. Okay. That one's fast. Oh my gosh! I knew that we had to do that. Okay. Oh my god. The honey's gonna die. No! Please! I'm just going to die now. Oh my gosh, please. I'm going to die. Okay. Here's a beehive. Okay. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize those were there. Okay, please don't get me. Please don't get me, bee. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Whoa. Oh, that was the wrong side. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I'm really bad at this. I'm really bad at walking. Okay, we go left now. Okay. This is the safe path. I choose right this time. Wait, just to see. No, that doesn't look right. Wait, I think that might be the grass. Oh, it's not the grass. Oh. It says I'm close to the end. See, guys? It says that I'm close to the end. Okay. Okay, now this side. Dang. Oh my gosh. Dang. Oh my gosh. Bees as choppers. Those bees look made. Wait, we can't even go through those holes. You're kidding, right? Oh my gosh. Come on, we have to get in. Huh? Checkpoint reached? Is this the boss? Huh? It's a bear instead of a bee? Ah! Oh, we're supposed to get this. Get the bear. Why do they look scared? Ah, no, I died. Help is illegal. Yes! Oh my gosh. All I have to do is click on him. Yes. Oh, even the bees are dancing. Even the bees are dancing with me. Yay! So where do we go now? Oh, do we go in here? Oh. Oh, do we go in here? I think we go in here. I think that's where we end up. Is that where we end up? Oh wait, that's the. Oh wait, no, wait. Oh yeah, this is the right way actually. I was actually kind of saying that it was wrong for a second. Let's drop down. Woo! Let's go. Oh, whoa! Ah! Oh my gosh. Wait, what? I have to do that again? Oh my gosh, what the heck? Ugh. You have to watch out. Let's go. Wait, what? There's more, but I just defeated the boss. Why is there more? I feel like it's coming. I feel like, okay. I think after this, there's the winner's room. Bro, this is so hard, I can't. I just defeated the boss. Shouldn't I? Oh, go on. Oh my gosh. No, bro. You're joking. Oh my gosh. Now there should be the winner's room. Guys, actually I'm gonna post both the all three of those new videos that I said I'm gonna post tomorrow actually. Because I don't want you guys to unsubscribe, so I'm just going to do that instead. So yeah. This is the last video I'm gonna make today, but I'll make 3 more tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, wait, what? Oh, it's pulling up. Yes! Oh my gosh, I went outside of the gym. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's actually it. Yeah. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, I escaped the beehive. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. This is actually amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a whole playground. Oh, there's a Ferris wheel. Oh my gosh, that's cool. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.